take the flowers home if you like them.
Well, that didn't work. George, what are you doing in here? What are you...
George, I think he's allergic. You shouldn't. Your cat is allergic to certain flowers. Here is a list.
Oh,
Really? But she tries to eat them. Don't let her. Here's my bill. So, George's theory was right.
and a lot cheaper. Okay. One lick, good. Two licks, excellent. Three licks, magnifico. This will be our special tonight. It's Gnocchi approved.
If it not for George, we would never have known that Gnocchi was allergic to those flowers.
Giorgio, you have saved the restaurant and my reputation. I'll give you free pizza.